Ready to rumble in the automation arena? We're diving headfirst into a head-to-head comparison in N8N vs Gumloop. First up, N8N, this open-source platform shines with its extreme flexibility. You can build incredibly complex workflows using its node-based system. Each node represents an action, and you connect them visually to create your automation flow. Now, let's look at Gumloop. It emphasizes simplicity with its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, perfect for non-technical users. Gumloop lets you easily build automations without diving deep into code. When it comes to integrations, both pack a punch. N8N boasts a wide range of API integrations, making it ideal for connecting to diverse systems. Gumloop, on the other hand, typically focuses on seamless integrations with popular SaaS tools like Google Sheets, Slack, and more. So, who wins? If you're a developer or have a technical team comfortable with coding and intricate setups, N8N's power is unmatched. But if you need something quick, easy, and accessible for everyone, Gumloop might be your champion. The ultimate choice depends on your business needs and technical expertise. Weigh the flexibility of N8N against the simplicity of Gumloop, and choose the tool that best fits your automation goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation showdowns.